Another day of record-high COVID-19 cases here in the nation. With the acknowledgement the fourth wave of infections has begun, authorities raised social distancing in the greater capital area to its highest level. Do-yeon has our top story.
For the second day in a row, South Korea reported a record-breaking number of new infections with 1,316 new COVID-19 cases reported on Friday. But authorities say that it's possible that this figure could be beaten yet again.
A fourth wave of infections is happening right now, and there could be more cases than in the other waves. Just today, we saw more cases than yesterday.
Seoul and its surrounding areas continue to account for the majority of local infections with 963. The recent outbreak at a large department store in Seoul's Gangman-gu district has now been linked to more than 90 cases, and dozens of cases are now linked to an acting class. Adding fuel to the fire, a correctional officer at Seoul Detention Center contracted the virus, putting the correctional system under threat once again after a major cluster during the third wave. With an increase in cases and potential contact, the nation's capital is ramping up its testing capacity. Here at Seoul Plaza, a makeshift COVID-19 testing center opened again on Friday, 5 months after it had closed following a fall in the spread of the virus. This center is able to test up to 1,200 people per day. There will be twice as many testing centers available starting from Monday, with 52 of them scattered around Seoul. Hours vary by center, but makeshift centers will open from 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. on weekdays and 9 a.m. to 1 p.m. on weekends.
All citizens should cancel all non-essential plans, and we ask that you try to stay at home as much as possible to be safe. Also, if there is even a small sign that symptoms have begun to show, please go and get tested right away. While the capital region has tightened restrictions and is trying to fight the virus as the nation's epicenter, there is a slight drop in percentage compared to other regions of the country. This is not because the virus is being curbed, but rather there is a continued rise in the number of cases from other regions as well. The southeastern port city of Busan had the most outside of the capital with 53 cases. A similar number of new cases were reported in Chungcheongnam-do province, where there has been a cluster infection at the Korea Army Training Center. Do-yeon, Arirang News.